Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to the channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope Allah is Almighty. Keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited and may you continue to enjoy like the sun. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet shirt designs, blouses designs, top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design. Sure to complete all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all the designs brought to channel the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend there, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and you can sell such clothes. So friends, today videos are amazing, every day the lovely designs. Almost another video on my channel I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who subscribe to my channel. Stay with me. Remember, friend, bye.